Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to log out of Apple ID on MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open your MacBook, and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now let's see what we else have in this screen. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Finder, the File, Edit and View options. We also have the Go, Window and Help option, and in the top right corner we have the battery, Wi-Fi, we have the date, and in the bottom of the screen we have all your applications. Well, not all of them, but the ones that you use the most. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and log out of Apple ID on MacBook. So first of all, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. So go to the logo and click on System Settings. Then click on Apple ID in the System Settings window, which is underneath your name. And in the left sidebar, click on Overview. Click the Sign Out button at the bottom of the window. Choose whether you want to keep a copy of your iCloud data or Mac, such as contacts, calendar events, reminders, and Safari data. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to sign out. You may need to enter your Apple ID password to complete the process. Once signed out, your MacBook will no longer be contacted by your Apple ID, and services like iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime will be disabled until you sign in again. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.